Hello, I am a nerd. Ben 10 versus Jake the dog. Now, normally Ben 10 would mop up most fictional opponents within a few seconds, but this may be the first time that I have stumbled onto a literal god that Ben Tennyson may not be able to beat. You see, Jake the dog is incredibly powerful, and this is only part 1 of this video. Jake the dog has the power to do anything he can imagine. He can shapeshift, he can stretch to incredible lengths, but that's only the beginning. He can become a whole other person using his shapeshifting and make his best friend, the person who knows him best in the world, think it's him. When hit with a poison that could poison 50 dogs, he makes his liver the size of 51 dogs and survives. Ben Tennyson has aliens like Way Big who could destroy a planet, but Jake may be as strong as the entire freaking universe. That's fine. Ben 10 has aliens like feedback, but normally Ben's aliens have to follow some kind of Reynolds logic. Jake just doesn't. Not even he knows how his powers work. Let's jump straight to his two biggest feats. Jake imagined that the floor was made of lava. And just like that, the floor became lava. Not only that, but he imagined an invisible monster, a riddle master, and many, many more terrifying things. Jake the dog also went to sleep, shapeshifted inside his body, and well, Jake the dog became people. There was an entire civilization inside of him. Jake the dog became an entire civilization. Jake the dog can move all of his vital organs to his thumb to avoid lethal attack.